Group messages on iPhone, by default, are just named after the people who are in them, or the contacts who are in them. So I made a new one right here with two contacts. One's called me and one's called demo. So it just named it me and demo. And so if you want to change that to something more specific to what the group chat is about, just tap into the group chat. And at the very top, tap on the number of people, and tap on edit name and photo, and now we can give it a name. This could be, for example, vacation planning. And you can scroll down, find an appropriate image. That one looks pretty good for vacation planning. I wonder if I can get rid of these little ones. No, I can't, but it just makes that one that you chose really big. And then actually does take it away for the display right here. So now you have vacation planning at the top with your nice little vacation image, and it looks like this inside of your messages. So that's pretty cool. And when you're editing it, there's more options than just this little icon that I put in here. There are these icons that are kind of presets for everybody. There's Memojis down at the bottom, which is just your face or some kind of face. You can even have the face making a face. And then you can have camera, just take a photo. You can choose from your own photos, choose from emojis, and just choose letters, which you can just type in here. You can change the style of them. The style options are not that great, really just colors. There's a lot of options to customize, but I really like that for a vacation chat. Now, if only we had time and extra cash to go on a vacation. Maybe by having this vacation group chat, it'll manifest itself. We'll see. If you got value from this video, press like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. If you haven't done that before, or you haven't done it in a while, you should do it again, because you got to do it on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.